Hello guys, today we're going to be talking about some charts, and yes, I'll be using TradingView. I still have like 30 days on my trial or whatever, and I've been trying to work out a system to where I can show this and it be okay and be flawless, but of course TradingView was very good for what they did, but I'm kind of thinking about Thinkorswim and Power E-Trade and stuff like that. But right now we're just going to be using TradingView because it's easier and convenient right now. But trust me, I did cancel my plan. So in 30 days, I better figure out something. So moving on from there, let's just go through all the charts and some news, a little bit of news at least. So on the Fear and Greed Index, we're at greed territory, not really super far into greed. This might be ride the momentum a little bit and just ride it into extreme greed and then jump out. But, if you want to start taking profits here, I can also understand that too. If we jump to the MMRI, we have actually decreased from where we were at back in early November to 286. Now we're still high, so we're off extremes, but high risk is still not that great. So we can still see a giant market correction. If we go to the S&P 500 heat map right here, you can see that everything did great last week, which is awesome. Tesla pulled out 9%. So Target made 20% gains, while Walmart went down 6.5% for the week. Now we're going to look at both of them, and I'm going to tell you, according to the charts, what I think you should do with them. So if we go continue on, this is Walmart. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. So this green box here is your buy zone. Look, every time it hits this box, it just bounces right off of it. So, right there, it looks like it's about time to buy. They're going to probably hit the 200-day. The RSI is very much so oversold. Look at that. That's at 30.65. And yes, the MACD did dump because look at this giant dump right here. This thing gapped down really bad. And if you look at another bullish fundamental, this dividend is happening pretty soon. So people are going to start, jumping in before the 7th of December so they can go ahead and get 57 cents per share, right? So you have quite a bit of bullish indicators on Walmart. So as of right now, I would be thinking of jumping in Walmart and letting it ride. And look at this blue line. Every time we touch this blue line, just bops right off of it. Bop, 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 bop. See, look. So, we're probably going to hit the 200. We're going to bounce off of it. And we're probably going to go and hit this blue line. So I have a strong feeling that Walmart is going to be A-okay. Don't let the news scare you or anything like that. Remember, guys, E is earning call. Try to get out before earnings because crap like this happens. This giant gap down and gap ups happen, which can wipe investors out. If we want to measure this gap move right here, it was about 5.6% decrease. That's what that was, a 5.6% decrease from one day because of the earnings call. So be careful of earning calls. Anyways, continuing on, if we go to Target, is probably going to have the exact opposite happen to it. The RSI is way overbought at 77. The 200-day moving average is right here, and it's probably going to bop right off of that. And when it does, it's going to just go down again. And look at this giant gap up because of the earnings call. The dividend already happened. So this is like the reverse of Walmart. So if you had Target, now is the time to, take some profits off and then jump into Walmart. Just according to the charts, because this is definitely overbought. Even the MACD, look how high the MACD is. I mean, it's pretty high. It hasn't been this high since February 23, so it hasn't been this high all year. So it's pretty bullish on Target, but I don't know, lots of people aren't liking the Target store, but for whatever reason, it made a giant bounce up. But yeah, so I'm way more bullish on Walmart than I am Target right now. And for Denison Mines and other uranium stocks like them, a lot of them are getting overbought. So be careful with uranium stocks right now. A lot of people are very bullish on them. And I get it. I own Denison Mines. You know, am I going to take some more off the table? Maybe a little bit more. I'm not sure though. But yeah, we're just getting overbought here. And I think we need to have a coming back down of maybe the 20 EMA before we resume back. And I bet you if you check Luxalgo, we're in the take profit zone. Yep, look at that. We're in the take profit zone. I would not be buying here. All right, watch your eyes. This is the altcoin season index. We're not at the altcoin season yet. If you check the month though, we're at 69 on the month. It's getting pretty crazy for the altcoins, but we're not at altcoin season just yet. Or Bitcoin. I don't know why. I guess this is an altcoin season index and not a Bitcoin season index, I guess. But anyways, if we go check Cronus, like I said last time, I said, oh hey, we need to come down and get back to 8 cents. What did we do? We hit our green line, boom, we're at 8 cents right here. This was perfect. This yellow 20 EMA is providing support. That's what we want. It's providing support that we need. Yes, it went a little bit more below than we wanted to, and that's fine. So it's working off all this RSI pressure, which is fine. You know, we might go to the 50-day moving average. We had our golden cross. So lots of bullish things on Cronus as well. This is just your technical correction. No biggie. Don't worry about it. At least I'm not worried about it. You know, if you need more Cronus to go and stake for a higher debit card or Cronus card, maybe now's the time to start scaling in here and then a little bit more here at the 50-day moving average. And you can see the MACD just crossed over, so that's not that good. That's really bearish. So, and this MACD is super high, but not as high as this. So it hasn't been this high though since right here back in 2022, April 2022. I definitely feel like Cronus is going to pull back just a little bit more, maybe another cent or two, which is a lot, but it shouldn't go past 6 cents. All right, guys, and that is all what I have for the day. Thank you for watching. I know this is kind of shorter, but I'm trying to keep these, you know, short and sweet for right now. I will try and figure out a different platform than TradingView. Thank you for watching. Bye.